Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I definitely still think that we are in a wave C right now. I think that we're in a five-way pattern to the upside for a part of an expanding flat. I think this is a wave A, I think this is a lower low wave B, and I think now we're going to make a higher high wave C for the expanding flat, most likely taking out these previous highs. And since this is the monthly, it's probably going to take at least a year or more to play out. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I think that the wave 2 ends right here. So we have a 1, we have a 2, and then this is 5 waves up for a 1 of 3. This is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. I think that this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame for this wave 3 of that expanding flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely still in an uptrend. I mean, it's kind of crazy if you look at the trader sentiment, how many people are trying to sort this thing for the past couple weeks. People are really losing their asses trying to counter trend trade this thing, and the trend is definitely still up. So I mean, the trend very easily could just keep on going up big time. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I thought it was going to break structure yesterday, but it just went down. It rejected structure and just kept on going up. Honestly, it kind of looks like it's another ABC crescent. So the trend is up. I definitely would only be looking for longs on sort of time frames. You definitely don't want to try to fight a wave 3 trend because a wave 3 is the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we tried to break structure yesterday, but really it just rejected structure. The trend is definitely still up. If you look at the trader sentiment, retail traders have been trying to sort this thing for weeks now, and they've just been losing their ass big time. So don't be that guy trying to find the top. Instead, be the guy looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 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 So I definitely am not even going to think about sorting this thing until it's proven that it's going down by breaking and holding below this structure right here. Until that happens, I am doing nothing but looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long, pullback entries, ABC crescents for the continuation of this big wave 3 on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.